With more than 400 products in our catalog, it can be hard to decide which ones to add to your store. My name is Elizabeth, and today I'll give you a hands-on view of some of our latest products so you can choose which ones are right for you. I have to say, I'm genuinely excited to get my hands on these myself. Our product team and you guys have been raving about them, and I can't wait to put them to the test. Stick around till the end to learn more about our most requested and exciting product for the winter season. Can you guess which one that is? Without further ado, let me tell you about a clear customer favorite that we launched this summer, the double wall clear plastic tumbler. This is made from acrylic plastic, and there's this screw-on lid to prevent spills. It also has this reusable plastic straw attached. And in terms of designs, there's an all-around print available with a light varnish on top that creates texture and provides protection. It's fantastic for very minimal and clean designs and for these full-on maximalist full cover designs. Staying in the home and living category, I want to introduce a personal favorite, custom-shaped pillows. You can create any shape in 3 different sizes. It can be 10 by 10 inch for a small one, 16 by 16 inches for a medium one, and then 22 by 22 for the large one. You get this print with a white outline around it regardless what you create on it, but it's created to the custom shape of your design. If you have a photo or anything with a background, you can remove your background within the design maker to create whatever shape you want. For this to happen, there's 1 layer per design. There's no zipper anywhere on this. These guys are super soft and snuggly, made from 100% polyester. Now let's check out something from the apparel category, the oversized heavyweight t-shirt. The fabric on this one is heavy. It's 100% premium carded cotton. This is truly oversized, by the way. I usually wear a medium, and I ordered a medium in this one, and you'll see what that looks like on me. But you get all the classic print placements, the front, the back, inside and outside label, both sleeves. And it's not just available for print either, it's available for embroidery as well, precisely because the fabric is thick enough that it can hold its shape even with embroidery going through it. Next, we have the 5-panel trucker cap. Now, longtime Printful customers will note that the product itself isn't new, we've had it for a while. However, this is the first hat in our catalog that offers the direct-to-film printing technique. It was previously fulfilled with embroidery only, and that is still available as well. These snackback closures create an adjustable fit, and here's what that looks like. Does it look good? There's also a mesh back for breathability, so in the hot summer days, or if you're working and wearing a hat inside, you're not gonna sweat all that much, which is perfect. And the fit is very classic, kind of like a regular snapback that you would wear. Next, I want to talk about another hat, the Columbia Pom-Pom Beanie. This product is special because it's one of the many branded products we have in our catalog, which offers a perfect opportunity to capitalize on the trust people have for brands like Columbia, Champion, Adidas, and others. However, this product is only fulfilled in the US, and I'm in Latvia. Luckily, Michael can help us out.
Hey Elizabeth, so as you asked, I've been testing the new Columbia Pom-Pom Beanie. You can put your own embroidery design right next to the Columbia logo here. I did try to find some cats to entice with the pom-pom to figure out if it's cat-proof, but no luck. I do want to say it fits really well, even with all of my hair. It has this soft inner lining where it touches my forehead, so it doesn't leave those imprints that other hats sometimes do. It feels really warm, and I think it would be great for visiting Latvia during the winter or the Arctic. You never know.
Michael has another US exclusive product to show us, the 2025 wall calendar. This one I really want to see because Michael created some travel inspiration designs that I think will look really cool. For these calendars, you can design the covers and the area above each month, and for the larger size, the design extends behind the dates as well. Dates for every month are added automatically, but you can get creative with the design. For example, by creating a space for notes or affirmations. Calendars are a great way to feature photos to set the mood for the month.
These wall calendars turned out great. I have both available sizes here, the 11 by 17 and the 8 by 12. I really like how the photos look both on the cover and for each month. So there's plenty of space to write on the calendar by hand, which I did because everybody at the office should know that the date of the National Pokemon Day is February 27th. The calendars are bound with a silver color metal wire and are easy to hang up. I just have to find a nail somewhere.
I wanted to ask one more thing of Michael, to try out our first all-over print men's slim fit polo shirt, and he did not disappoint.
I had to do it. I just had to try it. The opportunity to have an all-over print design on a polo was just too good to pass up. So I had to make it with my face on it. The shirt does run a bit small, so sizing up is recommended. It's a slim fit, but it feels very comfortable. It has 4 white buttons here at the top, and the sleeves feel pretty good here. But here's the coolest part. The shirt comes with custom branding options. You can put your logo or any other graphic on the label and hang tag that comes on the shirt. Our customers love these shirts, and I can see why.
Huge thanks to Michael for his insights. We have one last product to discuss, and did you guess what it is? Of course, it's the classic fit knitted crew neck sweater. So this sweater has unisex sizing, meaning that you have to consider that when ordering it, and it's made with jacquard knit or jacquard knitting technique. It's pretty lightweight, it's super soft, and there are 36 colors you can use in total, but keep in mind that in one sweater you can only utilize 4 colors, including the trim colors. Speaking of the trim, you can put designs all over here except the trim, meaning bottom, collar, and both sleeves. And you can choose the color of the trim to make sure that it matches, kind of like I've done here. This isn't a completely winter product either. You can totally style it with a summer dress because it's not super thick. It's not that crazy warm. Keep in mind that the combined fulfillment and shipping time for knitwear can be 7 to 16 days with up to 3 weeks for shipping, but it's worth the wait. Whether you're adding these products to your store or just curious about what's new, I hope this gives you the confidence to explore Printful's growing product range. Shout out to our fantastic production team for bringing these products to life. Comment below what products you're most excited about and what you'd like us to test in our next product review. And in the meantime, happy selling!